Many thanks, Domagoj. The business athlete, as we call the new BMW 5 Series, comes with a wide range of digital services. For example, the intelligent personal assistant, which we've upgraded again. The driver can talk to the assistant totally naturally and use him to operate many functions. The BMW 5 Series will also come with a new generation of our high-tech navigation system. I'll come back to that in a minute. And we are also keen to assist our customers with parking. With the connected parking function in the new 5 Series, we have brought together new and existing services. For example, the driver can see free spaces in a car park or by the side of the road. Fans and guests, electrification and digitalizations are a core element of the BMW product strategy, and we've been pioneers in both of these high-tech fields for a long time now. We already started with connectivity 21 years ago when we first launched BMW Connected Drive. Today, there are around 14 million connected cars of the BMW Group on the roads worldwide. And we continuously develop our digital offerings to create functionalities that offer information, convenience, and very important for us at BMW, joyful experiences. The 5 Series now also runs on Bmw Operating System 7 with a unique design and user experience. This operating system also provides the digital basis for the latest technologies such as remote software upgrade. This technology allows us to keep our vehicles up to date at all times and offer new services to our customers directly over the air. When it comes to electrification, we currently have 13 electric vehicle models in a total of 74 markets around the world. That's more than any other new or established premium manufacturer. The plug-in hybrid version of the new BMW 5 Series brings together both electric mobility and digital, and that even beyond the car itself. With the new BMW Ii Drive zones, we are using intelligent technology to further improve quality of life in urban areas. How does it work? Well, the connected plug-in hybrid 5 Series senses when it's entering a BMW Ii Drive zone and automatically switches the car to the all-electric driving mode. The BMW Group is playing an important role in supporting sustainability on the roads, both by continuously expanding its range of vehicles with electrified drive systems and through the ongoing development of BMW Ii Drive technology. BMW Ii Drive zones are now helping to maximize the potential of plug-in hybrid BMWs to reduce emissions on urban roads. The benefits can already be experienced in a large number of German and European cities, which means BMW plug-in hybrid models will spend more time in electric mode in a growing number of urban areas. Another highlight of the new BMW 5 Series is our new generation of navigation called Bmw Maps. It will provide our customers with even more precise and intuitive assistance when it comes to urban and personal mobility. Our navigation tech has for years been one of our key multi-award winning products. This because we combine intelligent route guidance with additional information such as traffic or points of interest, and especially important for in-car operation, a deep integration into our BMW HMI, the human-machine interface. But there is digital competition out there with pretty strong smartphone apps, for example. We take on the challenge. With BMW Maps, we are introducing cloud-based navigation in the new 5 Series. This will allow us to offer customers the best system in the premium segment. BMW Maps assists our customers before their journey, during it, and once they reach their destination. It functions linked seamlessly via various touchpoints. The driver can, for example, send the destination address to the car via the BMW Connected app from outside the car. So when they get in, everything is ready to go. All the information is shown on the central screen that has been further enlarged, and the head-up display. And the system is easy to use, for example via voice control or the touchscreen or the iDrive controller. And we've also improved the system's performance. Super fast route calculation in under a second and very precise expected time of arrival. Detailed information on points of interest, complete with ratings, opening times, pictures and more information. So really a big step, and I hope you soon find out about the strengths of BMW Maps in a test drive. But still, we also want to offer our customers a seamless experience in connecting their personal smartphones, not only for making phone calls, but also using other digital functions. The new BMW 5 Series is one of the first cars to get a wireless integration of Android Auto. Android Auto is a safe and easy way to use Android smartphone functions during a journey, whether that's music, messaging, or Google Assistant. All functions are integrated directly into the car's fully digital screen system. For example, one new feature is the display of smartphone navigation apps in the instrument cluster and the head-up display. This provides a safe way of using apps during a journey. The support for Apple Carplay rounds off the offering for our customers. We've had the best wireless technical solution on the market for years of Apple Carplay and improve this integration even further now. Those are just a few of the highlight features which make the new BMW 5 Series a digital flagship. And on that note, I'd like to hand back to Peter Nota.